Students, we all live in our house. Our house is on land. Our school is on land. Road is on land. Our playground is also on land. Most of the things around us are on land. But what is this land? Have you ever thought about it?
All the land we see around us is on this huge ball. We call it the earth.
We build our houses on the earth. We grow our crops on the earth. Rivers flow on the earth. Trees grow on the earth.
The earth is our home. The earth is a home for all the plants and animals.
Do you know the shape of our earth? The earth is very big. So we cannot see its shape. But the photograph of Earth taken from the space looks like this. Doesn't it look round? So we can say that our Earth has a round shape.
But our Earth is not perfectly round.
To learn about the shape of our Earth, we can compare our Earth with an orange. An orange is a little flat on its top and the bottom. However, the central part is swollen outwards. Similar to an orange, the Earth is also flat on its top and bottom. And its central part is swollen outwards. Have you got a globe in your classroom?
A globe is the model of the Earth.
Now let us look at the globe carefully. This part of the globe is water. And this part of the globe is the land. Tell me, which part is more?
The water part is more than the land part, isn't it?
If we divide our Earth into 4 equal parts, 3 parts of it is water and only 1 part is land. Isn't it so interesting? Students, look around you. You see land and water. The earth has land and water on it. And the land is not the same everywhere. Some parts of the land have high mountains. Some parts of the land have hills. Some parts of the land have plains. And some parts of the land are covered with the sand up to a long distance.
The places covered with sand up to a long distance are known as deserts.
So, the surface of the earth differs from place to place. It has mountains, hills, plains, and desert. You have already learned that our earth has more water part than land part. You must find it interesting to learn that almost 75% of the earth is covered with water. But do you know the places where we find water? Yes, we find water in a river.
A river is a large body of water that flows in one direction.
We also find water in a lake. However, the water in the lake does not flow. It is still. A lake is a large body of water completely surrounded by land.
Have you seen a pond? Like a lake, a pond is also completely surrounded by land. It also has still water. But a pond is smaller than a lake. A pond is a small lake.
Now look at this water body. You can see water and only water everywhere. It is the largest of all the water bodies. It is known as an ocean.
So, we find water in a river, a lake, a pond, and an ocean. We also find water in a sea and a spring.
You all know why we need air, don't you? We need air to breathe.
Yes, all living things need air to breathe.
But do you know where we get air from? Well, our earth is surrounded by a thick blanket of air. The thick blanket of air that surrounds our earth is known as atmosphere. The atmosphere of our earth contains plenty of oxygen gas. Living things use this oxygen gas to breathe.
So, our Earth has land, water, and air.
Now let me tell you an interesting thing about Earth. The Earth is not stationary. It is always moving. The Earth spins around itself. The spinning of the Earth is known as rotation. Do you know how long does the Earth take to complete one rotation?
It is 24 hours.
And within 24 hours there is a day and a night. So, is it the rotation of the Earth that causes days and nights? Think for a while. Only half a part of the Earth faces the sun at a time. The other half of the Earth faces away from the sun. The part of the Earth facing the sun receives sunlight. So this part has the day.
But the part of the Earth facing away from the sun does not receive the sunlight. So this part has night.
But as the Earth spins, the dark half of the Earth slowly moves towards the light, and the lighted half slowly moves away from the light. Due to this part has day now, and this part has night.
So, it is the rotation of the Earth that causes the day and the night. You must be clear now, aren't you?
Now let me tell you an interesting thing. The Earth spins round and round. But do we feel its movement?
No, we don't.
Do you know why is it so?
Well, we all are moving along with the Earth. Due to this, we do not feel the Earth's movement.
Now you know many things about the Earth. The Earth is home for all the living things. The Earth has hills, mountains, and plains on it.
The Earth is not perfectly round. It is flat at the top and bottom.
The spinning of the Earth causes day and night.